Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got a package of Shin Ramen. It's just a Korean-style ramen noodle, and if we flip it over here, you can see that it's prepared practically the same way as any other ramen noodle. But today we're going to add a few other ingredients: sliced cheese, green onion, eggs, and some deli-style beef to make a Kujirai-style ramen. I'm going to pour 2/3 of the recommended water into a skillet, not a pan. We're not making a soup. We need all of that water to reduce. But first we're going to add our veggie seasoning pack. And most recipes only have you add half of the bouillon seasoning pack, but I don't agree with that. I'm going to add the whole thing, but you judge by your own tastes. Some claim it makes the noodles too salty, but all you have to do is taste it and judge for yourself. And once the water gets to a rolling boil, you can add your dry noodles. Now chop some green onion, and I'm going to cut several slices of that roast beef. Now before those noodles get too soggy on that one side, you want to carefully try to flip them over to the other side. This helps the noodle cook more evenly, and it gives a better texture when you're eating the noodle. And as they soften up, all you want to do is just spread the noodle out till it touches all sides of the pan. And as that soup reduces, that noodle will absorb the remaining amount of that liquid. But before it does, we're going to add a couple eggs. Drop in as many as you like, wherever you like. This is a lot of noodle for just one person, so I'm going to drop in 2 and share this with my wife. Now cover with cheese, and I just lay it down in between the eggs. Now I like to just drop in those slices of beef all over the top, kind of like covering a pizza. And just like covering a pizza, I'm a little picky with it. I like it to look perfect. But that's just the OCD talking. Now you want to just cover with a lid and let that steam take care of those eggs. It'll only take about 40 seconds or so. It'll cover them with a nice little gloss like this. Now just sprinkle in those green onions and you'll be ready to plate. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now take a look here, you'll see we got some nice egg yolks. This cheese is melted in there, and that pink roast beef is now a little bit darker, and the noodles got a nice texture. And in case you didn't know, Shin Ramen is spicy, so look out. And there you have it, Kujirai-style ramen with beef right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.